Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. We were recently at Costco and spotted this wire undersink organizer that slides out for $33.99. We picked one up and thought the left side under my sink would be the perfect spot for this, but it wasn't, and more on that later. We started by unboxing. The instructions also include video instructions, which we will check out in a minute. There's a nice template to mark the holes, the 2 wire baskets, and the sliding hardware and poles. There's a QR code on the front of the manual that you can scan and will take you to the built app. This is an app used by many manufacturers to present a detailed step-by-step install of their products. I followed this and the paper manual to install.
This procedure will assist you with the assembly and installation of the TRINITY Undersink Organizer.
We started by taking everything out of the cabinet. You'll notice a vinyl shelf liner in the bottom of the cabinet. We're going to attach the organizer right on top of it. I laid out the template and then realized I should make sure it fits in the space before attaching. And this is when we realized the sink pipe stuck out a little too far on this side for the slider to clear the door molding. So we realized it would need to be placed on the other side, which is not what I wanted, but you can see it does not fit on the other side. Keep that in mind in your space. Put the organizer in place to make sure it will work before attaching anything. So we switched sides, placed the template, and I'm using a center punch to make an indentation where the 4 holes need to be. I put the slide in place to make sure it lined up, and it did. I drilled 4 pilot holes, then screwed the slide into place. The bottom wire box just pushes into place on the slides. Before I pushed it all the way down, I made sure the door would close. Then I snapped it into place, and it works. I added the rods and then the top basket. But I realized I couldn't put the basket on as there was not enough clearance at the top of the cabinet. I eventually realized I needed to push it into the cabinet and place it on that way. Here you can see the top just barely clears, so I need to be mindful when I put stuff in this basket. My bathroom cabinet is from the 90s and is not as high as more modern countertop height vanities, which is probably why the top basket is so tall. It also comes with 2 rubber covers for the other side of the basket. Time to fill it up. And here it is. I can pretty much store the same amount as I could before, but this definitely makes it more organized. And I think we might be installing one of these at Mom's house in the future. Thanks for watching. For more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube.